we will create a program uh, to grade a score of a student, and it is categorized into three parameters like high, mode, and low. If the marks of the student is greater than 80, then it shows a high. If the number are between 50 to 80, then it shows moderate, and if it is lower than 50, then it will show low. So first of all, we take input, and we in this we have to use a ternary operator, and inside the ternary operator we have to use another ternary operator. Like first of all, we will check the number is greater than 80 or not. If it is greater than 80, then we will rate it as high. Otherwise, we will check another condition inside the second part, that if the number is greater than or equal to 50, then it is moderate, or we can write anything moderate, and moderate, and otherwise if the number is lower than 50, then it will be considered as low. So your grade is, let's suppose we enter upper number, like if our number is 50, then your grade is moderate. If we write 100, then your grade is high. And if we write something between the it is 70, then your grade is moderate. So our program is working correctly.